Nĩ gĩkundi gĩa gatatũ kĩa maabithaa borithi arĩa matwarĩtwo bũrũri wa Haiti. Rita rĩrĩ thirikari ĩgĩtũma maabithaa 200 itemi-inĩ rĩa kũgacĩrithia thayũ ũrĩa ũhagũrĩtwo nĩ ikundi ngananie.
I am glad to note that since deployment of the first contingent, the police officers have executed successful operations against gangs in the support of Haitian police. The mission has operated in challenging and risky environments to protect civilians and the citizens in general. This effort have achieved reopening of some critical access roads connecting Port-au-Prince to other regions, restoring operations in learning institutions and the health facilities, stimulating business activities and safeguarding key infrastructure.
The government and the people of Kenya, that we will be with the people of Haiti all the way. The Force Commander has said that many times, and I want to reiterate what he has been saying about our determination. The determination of His Excellency the President, the government of Kenya, and the people of Kenya to support the Asian people towards restoring what they yearn for, and that is living a peaceful life that they have always aspired for.
Akiaria akiamũkĩra maabithaa acio, President wa Haiti nĩaganĩte Kenya tomwe wa mabũrũri marĩa makoretwo mũhari-inĩ wa mbere gwĩtĩka mbu yao ihinda-inĩ rĩrĩ iritũ.
We want to say thank you to the people of Kenya and thank you to the government of Kenya. And also, we want to welcome our brothers from Kenya who came today. Just like the Commandant Otenge said, you are home. So be home and feel home. We have to say right now, the Kenyan troops are in a region in Haiti called Atibonite, and they are fighting hard. These are challenging times for Haiti. And in challenging time, we need friends like you to help us face the challenges. We want to thank you.
I am also impressed by the troops' commitment and the result attained so far. Despite the challenges expected of any noble undertaking, I encourage all the officers to maintain the set of level of excellency as they work towards fulfilling their mandate. Remember that your every effort enhances the MSS visibility at the international arena.
O mabũrũri mangĩ 10 nĩmeranĩire gũtũma maabithaa 3,100 marĩa mararuta wĩra rungu rwa ngwatanĩro ya ũrũmwe wa kĩmabũrũri rwa UN. Ngĩribotera Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Jenga Wambui.